Hello all, this is Charlie from Plexus IT, and I just quickly want to show you how to use Microsoft PowerShell to disable the Clutter folder feature in Office 365. I won't explain too much what Clutter is. If you're here watching this, you already know and you want to get rid of it. So let me show you quickly how to do that using PowerShell. I like to keep commands that I'm going to use in a text document or in a spreadsheet someplace so that I can quickly and easily copy them in. So the first thing that we need to do is use PowerShell to connect to the Office 365 instance. So I'm going to go ahead and run these commands. The first one is the get credential, and that's going to prompt me for username and password for this account, and it must be a global administrator account for that particular Office 365 tenant. If it returns this information, it's usually a good sign. It doesn't give us an error message. And our next command is to, let's get this one right here, paste this in here and hit enter. And that's a good sign. And finally, we're going to import the session so that we can interact with our Office 365 instance. And this is usually where you're going to find out if you're successful or not. If it's yellow, we're good. If it's red, it's bad. And it looks like we're good to go here. So the next command we're going to run is to set the Clutter folder to the Clutter enable function to false, meaning that it's disabled. So we're going to click on, hit enter here and run this command. It might take a minute or two, and let's see what happens. And we see that it's now disabling the Clutter function on the handful of mailboxes that we have under this account. And we're just about done here. And when it's finished, it'll take us back to our to the main prompt here. And now, last but not least, we're going to want to exit our session so that we don't try to log in later on and there's too many active sessions. We're going to exit, and that's it. Now we can close PowerShell by simply typing exit or clicking the little X at top right, and there you go. And that's how to disable the Clutter folder in Office 365 using PowerShell. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.